Hello explorers, welcome to another episode of Animal Explorers. Today we're going on an adventure to one of the hottest and driest places on Earth, the desert. But wait, did you know that many amazing animals live and thrive in the desert? How do they survive in such a harsh environment? Let's find out together. Deserts are places where it's really dry and hot during the day, but can get super cold at night. There isn't much water, and there are very few trees or plants. Yet some animals have adapted to these tough conditions. They've found clever ways to stay cool, find food, and even get water. Let's start with the most famous desert survivor, the camel. Camels are sometimes called ships of the desert because they can travel long distances across the sand without water. Do you know why? Their humps store fat, which they can use for energy when they can't find food or water. When camels do find water, they can drink up to 40 gallons in one go. Their thick fur helps protect them from the sun, and their wide feet stop them from sinking into the sand. Talk about desert superpowers. Next up, meet the fennec fox. This little fox may be small, but it's a desert survivor. Fennec foxes have huge ears that help them stay cool by releasing heat. They live in burrows underground, where it's much cooler during the day. And at night, when the desert cools down, they come out to hunt for insects, small animals, and plants. Now let's meet the desert tortoise. This slow-moving animal can survive in the hot desert by spending most of its time underground in burrows. The tortoise has a special way of storing water in its body, so it doesn't need to drink often. It eats grasses, wildflowers, and even cacti to stay hydrated. Slow and steady wins the race. Here comes a slithery desert creature, the sidewinder snake. This snake has a special way of moving across the hot sand in a sidewinding motion. This helps it stay cool by only touching the ground with a small part of its body. The sidewinder hunts at night and hides under the sand during the hot day. Can you believe there's an animal that hardly ever drinks water? It's true. Meet the kangaroo rat. This tiny creature gets almost all the water it needs from the seeds and plants it eats. And just like the fennec fox, the kangaroo rat stays in its burrow during the hot day and comes out at night to find food. Did you know that some desert animals get water from plants? The cactus is like nature's water bottle. Some animals, like birds and insects, drink the water stored inside cacti. Other animals, like tortoises, might eat cactus to stay hydrated. Even in the desert, plants help animals survive. So, how do animals survive in the desert? Some, like camels, store water in their bodies, while others, like the fennec fox and kangaroo rat, hide in cool burrows during the day. They all have amazing adaptations that help them find food, stay cool, and avoid danger. Isn't nature incredible? The desert is an important home for many animals, but it needs our help. We can protect desert animals by keeping their habitats clean and respecting the environment. Planting trees, not wasting water, and learning more about these amazing creatures are all ways we can make a difference. Thanks for joining us today, explorers. We hope you enjoyed learning how animals survive in the desert. Remember, no matter how tough the environment, animals find amazing ways to thrive. Keep exploring and discovering the wonderful world of animals. See you next time on Animal Explorers. Bye for now.